Sairam students, welcome to our second session of chapter 2 number work. Now let's revise what we had done in our first session. So first we had started with the one digit number. So I had taken the example here as 9. So students, it's not necessary that whatever examples I am taking, only those numbers are one digit number. You can take the numbers of your choice too. So any number which is containing a single digit, that is called as a one digit number. So from the number 0 to 9, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These all are one digit numbers. So this one digit number, it has got only the units place. So 9, it will come in the units place. Then we saw about the two digit number. So here I have taken the example as 49. So again I'll tell you children, you can take any numbers of your choice. So when 49 is there, we will start from the right hand side. So units and then tens. So 9, it will come in the units place, and 4, it will come in the tens place. Let's move to the 3 digit number. I have taken here example as 674. So as I told you, from the right, units, tens and 100. So 4 will come in the units place, 7 will come in the tens place, and 6 will come in the hundreds place. So you will read it as 674. Then we saw about the 4 digit number. I have taken here the example of 3590. So as I told you, starting from the right, units, tens, 100 and 1000. So 0, it will come in the units place, 9 will come in the tens place, 5 will come in the hundreds place, and 3 will come in the thousands place. So how you are going to read it as 3590. After that, we saw the 5 digit number. So here I have taken the example of 75183. So when you are going to arrange these digits from right to left, so how will you arrange it? 3 in the units place, 8 in the tens place, 1 in the hundreds place, 5 in the thousands place, and 7 in the 10,000 place. So you will read this number as 75,183. So as I told you students, it's not necessary that you are going to take this example only. You can take any numbers of your choice, but just remember that they are containing 5 numbers. Right students? After that, we took a question containing where there was a place and population. Now in this place and population, the first question we had discussed that which place has the greatest population. Now when you see these numbers, now you have seen that Tala, it is containing 40,642, Gagan Bauda 35,777, Moregaon 87,012, Vashi 92,173, Ashti 76,201, Bhamragad 35,950, Bodhwad 91,256, Velhe 54,497, and Morwada 85,890. So students, when you are going to find the greatest population, first what you will do, now as I have told you, we are going, when you are reading the numbers, you will start from left to right, right? So first you will see the here you will see the numbers which is given 4, 3, 8, 9, 7, 3, 9, 5, 8, right? So all this is in the 10,000s place. So when these numbers are there in the 10,000s place, so first you will see which number is the greatest in this. So the number 9 is the greatest of all these numbers in the 10,000s place. So but the number 9 is there in two places. If you can see, Vashi is 92,173 and both word it is 91,256. Now both the numbers in the 10,000s place are the same. So we'll go to the thousands place. Now if you see Vashi, I will circle it as 92,173 and both word I will circle it as 91,256. Now in the 10,000s place it was 9. Now we'll go to the thousands place. If you see in the thousands place, for Vashi it is 2 and for both word it is 1. So the number 2 is the greatest number. So with this you can say that Vashi, that is 92,173, it is the greatest population. In the same way, students, the other question was asked, which place has the smallest population? Again, you will go as per the same thing. Which place has got the smallest population? So again, as I told you, we will go to the 10,000s place. So again you will see the numbers 4, 3, 8, 9, 7, 3, 9, 5 and 8. So in the 10,000s place the smallest number is 3. So is there any other place which is having 3? Yes, this is Gagan Bauda, which is 35,777 and then Bambragad it is 35,950. So in the 10,000 place there are 2 threes. So let us go to the thousands place. Now in the thousands place there is 5 and here also in Bambragad that is 5. So again you cannot decide which is the greatest number. Let's go to the hundreds place. Now in hundreds place 7 is there, whereas in Bambragad hundreds place 9 is there. So 9 is the greatest over here and 7 is the smallest over here. So you got the number, that is the population which is the smallest one. So Gagan Bauda is having 35,777 as the smallest population. So students, I hope you have understood how to find out the smallest number and the biggest number. After that, we went to the third question, that which place, Morwada or Moregaon, has the greatest population. Now you can see Moregaon is having 87,012 population and Morwada it is having 85,890 as the population. So in the 10,000s place, if you see, there is 87,012 for Moregaon and for Morwada 85,890. So in the 10,000 place 8 is there in both the places, right? So we'll move to the next number, that is the thousands place. In the thousands place 7 is there in Moregaon and 5 is there in Morwada, right? So 7 is the greatest number than 5. So easily you can identify that 87,012 is the greater number. So Moregaon is having the greatest population. So this is all what we had done in our first session. Now students, let us move to our main part of the lesson, that is introducing 6-digit numbers. Now here 6-digit means there will be 6 numbers. Now again here I have taken these examples. You can take examples of your choice. So, but just count and see whether there are 6 numbers in it. 620,581 and 416395. If you can count and see, there are 6 numbers in it. So again, as I told you, you have to arrange these numbers. How you are going to read these 6-digit numbers? So here the number I have taken is 235705. So starting from the right, 5 will come in the units place, 0 will come in the tens place, 7 will come in the hundreds place, 5 will come in the thousands place, 3 will come in the 10,000s place and 2 will come in the lakhs place. So when you are reading the number, you will start from the left. So it will be 2,30,000. 35,705. Let's take one more example. Now, if we want to write 2,50,000, how will you write it? So, again, what I have done, I have made a table. In that, I have arranged from units, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000 and then lakh. So, it is written as 2 lakh. So 2 lakh means 2 will come in the lakhs place. Then 50,000. So 50,000 means in the 10,000s place 5 will come, and in the thousands place 0 will come. And then if you see, it is only 50,000. Nothing is given ahead. No 100 and no other number. So 100 will come as 0, tens will come as 0 and units will come as 0. So students, have you understood this? Let's move to the next one. 800,363. So again, same thing we are going to follow. Units, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000 and lakh. So starting from your right, 3 in the units place, 6 in the tens place, 3 again in the hundreds place, 0 in the thousands place, 0 in the 10,000s place and 8 in the lakhs place. So we'll read the number as starting from the left, 8,363. So here you can see students, 10,000 and 1,000 is 0. So no 1,000 will come. So it will start from 8,363. Let's take one more example. 307,899. So 9 will come in the units place. The next number 9 will come in the tens place. 8 will come in the hundreds place. 7 will come in the thousands place. 0 will come in the 10,000s place. And 3 will come in the lakhs place. So when you are reading the numbers starting from the left, so it will come 3,07,899. Let's take one more example. 9, 3 times 0 and then 4, 9. Again you will make a column, units, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000 and lakh. So 9 you will return in the units place, 4 you will write in the tens place, 0 in the hundreds place, the next 0 in the thousands place, the other 0 in the 10,000s place and lakh in the nines place. So how you are going to read? From left to right. So 9 lakh and 49. So why we are writing directly 49? Because in the 10,000, 1,000 and hundreds place there is 0. One more example. 530,735. Again, starting from your right, 5 in the units place, 3 in the tens place, 7 in the hundreds place, 0 in the thousands place, 3 in the 10,000s place and 5 in the lakhs place. So you are going to read it from left, 5,30,735. Now how you are going to write the 6-digit numbers? So the numbers are written in words. 8,09,043, right? So again we have prepared a column, units, tens, 100, 1,000 and 10,000 and then lakh. Now it is given as 8 lakh, but when you are writing the numbers, you are going to start from the left side. 8 lakh. So in the place of lakh, you are going to write as 8. Then is 9,000. So it is 9,000. So 10,000 place 0 will come and the thousands place 9 will come. Then 100 is not there. So 0 will come in the hundreds place. And then 43. So 4 will come in the tens place and 3 will come in the units place. Let us take one more example. 4,20,500. Now again, as I told you from left, 4 lakh. So lakh will come in the lakhs place, 4 will come, 20,000. So 10,002 will come and in the thousands place 0 will come. Now it is 500. So 5 will come in the hundreds place and tens and units place will be 0. So let us start with the problem set 3. Read the numbers and write them in words. So your first sum is 765234. So we have arranged them in the columns: units, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000 and then lakh. So we are going to start from right. 4 you are going to write in the units place, 3 you are going to write in the tens place, 2 in the hundreds place, 5 in the thousands place, 6 in the 10,000s place and 7 in the lakhs place. But when you are going to write it, you are going to use from left. So 7,65,234. So students, this whenever in the exam such type of question comes, you are going to directly write the answer. The number will be given as 765234. You are just going to write 7,65,234. You are not going to draw this table, right? This is just for your understanding purpose. Let's take the second one. 473,225. So again the same procedure, units, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. So we'll arrange the digits: 5 in the units place, 2 in the tens place, 2 in the hundreds place, 3 in the thousands place, 7 in the 10,000s place and 4 in the lakhs place. So when you are writing it, how you are going to write it? 4,73,225. Let's move to the third problem. So it is 327,001. So again, if you see from right, 1 in the units place, 0 in the tens place, 0 in the hundreds place, 7 in the thousands place, 2 in the 10,000s place and 3 in the lakhs place. So when you are going to write, you will write it as 3,27,001. Let's take the next fourth one. 875,375. Again 5 in the units place, 7 in the tens place, 3 in the hundreds place, 5 in the thousands place, 7 in the 10,000s place and 8 in the lakhs place. So your answer will be 8,75,375. Let's take the next number, 150,437. So we'll start from the right. 7 in the units place, 3 in the tens place, 4 in the hundreds place, 0 in the thousands place, 5 in the 10,000s place and 1 in the lakhs place. So it will be 1,50,437. So in the exam, students, you are going to write in this way as you can see it on the screen. Right, students? I hope you all have understood how to write this 6-digit numbers. So there is an assignment given. I would request you to solve the assignment and then we'll meet in the next session.